Updating your legal name on Ally Invest is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Ally Invest account by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly, scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In account settings, find the option for personal information or profile. Click on this to access your current legal name details. Step 4. Update your name. Look for the option to edit your legal name. Enter your new name as it appears on your legal documents. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors. Step 5. Submit documentation. After updating your name, you may be required to submit legal documentation such as a marriage certificate or court order to verify the change. Follow the instructions provided to upload or send these documents. Once you have completed these steps, monitor your account for confirmation of the name change. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Invest customer support for assistance.